Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English year number 5, page number 47, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start topic homophone. A word that is pronounced like another word but is different in meaning or spelling is a homophone. For example, TO, TOO and TWO are homophones. Use the words below in sentences to show their meanings. For example, OUR, our sentence, our business is growing rapidly. Next, HOUR, sentence, you are 1 hour late. Next, homophone, LOW, low and LAW, law. Sentence for low, the water level is low in the dam. Next sentence for law, we should obey laws. Next homophones are SIGHT, sight, and SITE. Sentence for sight, the sight of snake frightened me. Next sentence for sight, we visited site of Basha Dam. Next homophones are WORD, word, and WORLD, world. Sentence for word, look at this word. Next sentence for word, world is facing smog issue these days. Next homophones are THROUGH, throw, and THROW, throw. Sentence for throw, he is passing through the bazaar. Next sentence for throw, he threw the ball toward me. Next homophones are CHECK, check, and CHEQUE, check. Sentence for check, you can check this price list. Next sentence for check, please sign the check. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.